Farmers struggling to stay afloat. Soybean farmers took a huge hit in the trade war with China, but now China's stance seems to be easing up a bit. Only on News 5, John Kosig asks, is it too little too late for President Trump?
Farmers live with and expect uncertainty, whether too hot, too cold, too wet, too dry. What they weren't expecting is the uncertainty that comes along with the trade war. Roughly a third of Ohio's soybean crop ends up overseas each year, with most of it heading to China. So when China imposed a 25% tariff in July as part of a growing trade war between the two countries, the soybean market took a hit.
From 2013, our income is down over 50%. That's a big deal.
Chuck Sayre is a third-generation family farmer in Portage County. They grow around 1,500 acres of soybeans. His fields may be dry, but his crop this year ended up underwater.
The stuff we're selling today, we're losing money on. We're actually upside down. We've got more input costs in what we're selling today than what we're getting out of it.
While China has appeared to be easing its stance with the decision last week to make a major purchase of U.S. soybeans, it still hasn't moved the needle that much in the markets.
The market was supposed to respond last week. It's moved a little, but when I say a little, it's a little. I mean, it hasn't moved yet.
A report from the Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis last month found farm bankruptcies in the upper Midwest having nearly doubled since 2014. American farmers as a whole were strong supporters of President Trump in 2016 and believe in the stance with China as a whole, but
our patience is starting to wear a little thin. I mean, we've been told to wait and wait. You know, the tariff deals are coming, the China deals are coming. We feel that we voted and elected a man to put into position that was going to help us, and it's time that happens. I mean, we're getting stretched to our limit.
In Portage County, John Kosig, News 5.